Hey guys, I have a pair of anodised aluminium hill guards that, as you can see, are rather scuffed and horrible looking. I could get them re-anodised, but if you'd seen my other video, I really like the shiny chrome look. So I'm going to remove the anodising, clean up the deep scratches and polish up the parts. I'm going to use some caustic soda, which is sodium hydroxide. I'll also use some disposable gloves, a plastic container big enough for my parts, and a breathing mask or respirator. After thoroughly rinsing the parts, you can see and feel the bare aluminium surface that remains. This is much easier to visualise with coloured anodising. There still appears to be some deep scratches in the metal, so I'll need to try to sand them by hand a little. For the next phase of polishing, I've used Autosol, only because it's what I have, but I know it's a great product. I've heard great things about California Custom Purple Metal Polish. I've never used it myself, but it has excellent reviews online. If you do pick up some purple metal polish, you'll need a deoxidizer for use on aluminium prior to applying the polish. As you can see, the results are good but not perfect, and I want perfection. I'll therefore do some light polishing and buffing on the bench grinder. Hopefully I can get out the deep scratches. For the bench polishing process, please watch my exhaust polishing video. I'll leave a link in the description. I didn't use a polishing wheel as I felt it would be too aggressive for aluminium, as aluminium is very soft. Therefore, I only use a buffing wheel before giving it one last hand polish with Autosol. If you really want the shine to last longer, you can apply a clear gloss coat of lacquer, and this will protect the aluminium from oxidizing. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making more videos like this.